Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode. Okay, after that you walk into the scene. All right, what you are going to be doing here is just to make jumps. All right, you jump, you go to another location, jump again, change your location again, make a jump. The fourth location you jump, you can jump as many as you want. After jumping, you can now walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. Click on CapCut now, new project, import this your video to workspace. All right, look at that volume sign there. You click it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want this video to start from. Before you walk into the scene, click here and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. After that, look at the video, how it's going to play. Let's mark out the unwanted parts of the video. So you go to the last part of the video. Before you walk out, click here and make a split. Delete this last part. So at this point, we want to locate the jumps. All right, locate the jumps. Immediately you make your first jump, you are going to be screenshotting this place. You screenshot it, then you click it and cropple it. All right, cropple it, resize it. All right, after croppling it, after croppling it, you click on done, save to photos. Then you locate the second jump. Immediately you jump, you still screenshot this place, screenshot it, you click it and cropple it. All right, still cropple it like you did to the other one. Come down and cropple it. After croppling it, all right, still click on done, now, save to photos. Locate the third jump. All right, as you jump, you are still screenshotting it. You screenshot this place, click it, then cropple it guys, just cropple it. After croppling it, you click on done, you still save it to photos. The fourth jump, immediately you jump, you still screenshot this part. All right, screenshot it, cropple it like you did to the other three. After croppling it, you still mark on done and save it in photos. All right, then click on done now, save it in photos. Then you come back to the first jump, locate the first jump. All right, so immediately you jump up, the next thing you are going to be doing now is to locate overlay. All right, click on overlay there, add overlay, click on photos, import your first screenshot, then you go and look for remove bg. Click on remove bg, auto removal. Now you have removed complete. Mark on this good, then you go back. You can click it and drag it. After dragging it, you push it out from the scene, then you click it and add keyframe here. Then you locate where you jump. Immediately you jump, you drag that your photo down, then you make it to align with this one here. Make it to align, resize it to be equal with your original photo, your original image. So match the two of them. After matching it, now you are going to click here and cropple it to that key. Then let's just play it to see what we have got. After you are done, let's play it to see what we have got. Good. Locate the second jump now. As you jump, you still click on add overlay. All right, add overlay there, import the second screenshot photo, locate remove bg, click on remove bg auto removal, you mark on that good, then you go back, you still adjust it, then you push it out and add your key. Click it and add your key, still adjust it to where you jump, drag it down like you did to the first one, still match the two of them, make it equal guys. Come down to always do here so that it will look good. After matching it, you still click here, then you drag it to that key. All right, remember to always do that. Immediately after matching it, if you see that they have blend. All right, they are looking good. Then you click here now, then you drag it to this key. All right, after that now this second part is ready. Good. Locate the third jump. All right, as you jump up, you are still clicking on add overlay. Click on add overlay to import the third jump. All right, import the third screenshot. Locate remove bg, click on remove bg, auto removal. You mark on that good and go back, still drag it back. You still come and add your keyframe. Click it and add your keyframe. As you push it out, add your keyframe like we did to the other two. Add your keyframe here. As you add your keyframe, you adjust to the place you make your jump. Drag him down, drag that character down, still mash it like you did to the other two. Make sure you mash them very, very well. Take time to do it. After mashing it and you see it's okay, then you are still going to click it to trim it to this key. All right, then you do your adjustment. You can see that place is not looking good, so make it look equal. So after making it, after doing here, we just take time to do your adjustment. Good. Then you go and locate the fourth jump, which is the last one. You still mark anywhere to click on overlay, add overlay here. You import your last screenshot, then locate remove bg, click on remove bg auto removal, mark on this good, then you go back like we did to the other ones. Click it, extend it back, you push it out, then you add your keyframe here. You adjust to the point where you make your jump. Drag him down now, drag him down, drag the image down, then you mash it like we did to the other three. After making it look good, you still click it and trim it to this key. All right, so click it, trim it to that key there. All right, after making your necessary adjustment and you see that the two of them is looking good, trim it to this key. Then after that, now this video is ready to me. After making your adjustments, the next thing we are going to be doing now is to play this video from the beginning. All right, so come back. We are going to be playing this video from the beginning now, but at this point this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add any sound, I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. DM me, I'll put you through on how to do that. After that, you click on export now. Then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.